Ninja Gaiden 4 Dev highlights concept art, environments, and visual design. Developer blogs for Ninja Gaiden 4 have highlighted the visual design, revealing a near-future Tokyo that blends cyberpunk and traditional Japanese styles. The game is a collaboration between Team Ninja and PlatinumGames, and its visual direction is overseen by PlatinumGames Art Director, Tomoko Nishii. According to Nishii, imaging art serves as an early guide to help the team establish a shared vision of the world's tone and atmosphere. While much of this art doesn't appear in the final product, it influences everything from environments to cinematics. Environment overpainting plays a more direct role in shaping gameplay. After stages are whiteboxed to define layouts and enemy placements, the art team paints over screenshots for improved atmosphere and player flow. Cyberpunk dystopia. The primary setting is a rain-drenched, near-future Tokyo. Following the resurrection of an ancient enemy, the city is plagued by a rain of miasma, creating a dark, grungy, and atmospheric aesthetic with flickering neon lights and grime. Fleshing out the world, environment artist and art director Tomoko Nishii explained that even outlandish concepts can appear believable if they are grounded with convincing detail. Examples include futuristic train accelerators, detailed billboards, and back alleys with remnants of flashy neon lighting. Conceptualization. The design process involved whiteboxing, where developers created prototypes of levels to determine enemy placements and interactive areas. The art team would then overpaint screenshots of these prototypes to visually reinforce player direction and potential combat strategies. Contrasting environments. While much of the game takes place in urban settings, players will also explore more natural environments to provide visual variety. Visual effects. The team designed a screen-filling red flash effect that appears during powerful combat moves. The intensity of the effect varies based on the character, boss, and weapon used, and can be disabled against weaker enemies for players who prefer less visual noise. The blog also dives into asset art, which fleshes out the world with details like futuristic train accelerators or billboards filled with believable advertising. Nishii explains that even the most outlandish concepts can work if grounded with enough convincing detail. New protagonist, Yakumo. Concept art established a visual contrast between the new protagonist, Yakumo, and series veteran Ryu Hayabusa. Raven motif. Yakumo's design incorporates a raven motif, using dark, urban imagery to contrast with Ryu's more refined, falcon motif. Bloodraven form. His design supports his unique bloodraven form technique, which allows him to transform his weapons using the blood of his enemies. Ryu Hayabusa's return. Ryu's design receives subtle refinements, but remains familiar to stay true to the series' roots. His more powerful physique is highlighted by placing him alongside the younger Yakumo.